Hey, what's up, everybody? Nate here with Nate's Dryer Vent Cleaning, your dryer vent specialist here in Brevard County. And what you're about to see, I had a job earlier today where it was a serious fire hazard. I rated the dryer on a 1 in 10 scale, 8.5. The background is the house is 2 years old this coming March here in a couple weeks. They've been in the house 2 years, 2-year-old house. The dryer, however, is, he said, about 11 or 12 years old, and he's moved it from house to house to house as he was formerly in the military. He did end up telling me that part of the reason why he called and made the appointment was because the sensor light was going off as far as an airflow issue. And he said that that had also gone off at other houses. And I had asked him, I said, well, did you get the dryer vent cleaned at the other houses? And he said no. And I told him, I said, well, listen, essentially that's like the equivalent to your check engine light coming on your car. It's trying to tell you that it needs maintenance. So because of that lack of maintenance, you're gonna see how bad his dryer was. It's a direct result of him not cleaning the dryers. Dryers normally don't get as bad as you're about to see unless there's a vent problem, and all that. If there's a vent problem, that usually includes a back pressure of air, and all that lint that can't properly discharge backs up in the dryer at a quicker rate. So that's what you're about to see, folks.